This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Alright, we are home. Let's take a look at the result. So the eVito was actually quite fast because this was the van version without the heavy seats bringing the weight up. You see, only 2.6 tons versus some of the heavy. This is the EQV with the interior or the seats. And so you see the eVito, despite it was a van, they did it in 9.45 seconds, even faster than Opel Astra and Ioniq 5 and the MX-30, you know. So relatively said, I would say that it's still quick for a van. Okay, not the fastest van out there. There will be some GTX ID bus, but when it comes to noise, for some reason vans just happen to be quite noisy. Maybe because they don't have too much soundproofing, right? You want to keep the weight down so you have the highest payload as possible. But I mean, 70 decibel, how good is that? Well, not the best car, but kind of down here somewhere. And then you see the winter result for many vans. Also, the e-Soul was also quite noisy. ENV200 is freaking noisy, man. So in terms of noise, I'd say it's okay, but still, you know, noisy as because it's a van. Yeah. Overall, though, I would say good performance for the lower priced van versus the EQV. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.